In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app that's already on your device. Then tap on Alarm section if it's not already on, located at the bottom left corner. And before doing anything, quick tip. Most people forget that you can click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and scroll a tiny bit to adjust all of those for all of your alarms. When you're done, go back and click on this plus icon at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour at the top, and now my favorite part, adjust all of those options however you want to. Let's start with repeat. After tapping on it, you need to select days of the week and save them by hitting OK. Now tap on Alarm Sound. Click on Add New at the top to tap on any song from your smartphone and apply it. Click here if you wanna log into Spotify and use music from it, or tap on one of those sounds to apply the best one for you. Like Dream. Go back and use this switcher next to Vibrate to turn it off or switch it on. Then, if you want to choose Label to name your alarm, and OK to save its name. Now tap on Remind Me Later and pick one of those options to apply a perfect one. Remember that to save your changes you need to click on this checkmark at the top right corner. So when I do that, my alarm was successfully created. If you wanna edit it, click on it, make any changes you want, and use the same checkmark. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and tap on one of those options in the pop-up to apply the one you wanna use. I will go with Dismiss Repeated Alarms. You can enable it the same way, and last but not least, to get rid of it completely, just hold it and tap on Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!